Hello there beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nasra and for today's look I'll be doing this fall autumn look. I was inspired by a makeup artist who I recently started to follow on Instagram, Naima. She is from UK, I believe from London or Birmingham somewhere. She is amazing. Check her Instagram out. So she inspired me to do today's video, and through this video I'll be showing you how I achieved this look. So keep on watching. So I did my foundation off camera. I will go right in with my concealer from MAC. The concealer is done. I will go right in with Mercier translucent powder. To contour, I will use NYX matte bronzer. This is it. I'll use powder to set the face, and I'll be using MAC powder. This is NC43. Alright, that is done. And for my eyebrows today, I'll be using, this is micro pencil from NYX. I'll be using Color Spell eyeshadow, and to start with, let me see. So how is everybody else doing with this second lockdown? Man, although there is a lockdown going on, I managed to go across the pond. I'm in London at the moment. It's so funny, people asking me, oh yeah, oh you managed to go, but to be honest, the flights are really busy, and yeah, it's just wow. So the base is done, and I'll be using, let me see, this color right here. Oh, I hold it. Ooh. Okay, I'll be using this color. I'll be staying in London for 2 weeks. There is nothing else to do here, honestly. I'm just inside. I'm watching Netflix. I've been watching a lot of Christmas movies. And since Netflix UK has Sister, so I just started today. I'm really glad that I can do it here. We don't have it there in the Netherlands. So yeah, I just keep myself busy while my boyfriend is working. So, alright, the base is done. Oh, almost forgot. So I'm going with another color. This is NYX Ultimate Edit, and I'll be using this color just to soften the eye, not to be too dark. Well, right done. So that is set. All right, let me see what kind of color I should go for next. I'll be taking another flat brush. I'll use my spray. There you go. I will go for this color. Okay, this color is a bit too red for me, so what I will do, let me see. I will go back with a lighter color, this one. I'm trying not to talk too loud because someone is working at next door. And on the outer corner of my eye, I'll be going back with a darker shade, dark brown. I'm not really a fan of putting any eyeshadow under my eyes, so I will avoid that for today. As you can see, it's really fast what I just did, and I love the colors. So what I will do is take my sponge that I used and just go gently. Alright, and next step I will use my Essence eyeliner pen. Let me do this off camera, I'll be right back. And I'll be using Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is latex free. As I mentioned before, I am allergic to latex adhesives, so this is the best option for me. And I'll be using lashes from Primark. That got in my eye, that stings. Alright, for the blush today, I'll be using Essence. This is in shade Bespoke. And for the highlight, I'll be using Baked Pops by Beauty Creations. And I'll be using this color. I like to contour my nose as well, so I'll just do that.
Check in, you're not mid. Hi, welcome to my channel. Hi. Shit, I forgot my lines.
What do you mean you forgot your lines?
That's you.
No, I never forget my lines. What are you talking about?
I'll show you that.
What are you talking about?
Cut. Cut.
Or maybe you can do my intro.
Hello, welcome to my channel.
No, you should do it properly. Hi, my name is Nasra.
Welcome to my channel. I'm Nazra.
No, that's not me.
Video.
Of course they will. Check out my videos.
Check it out now.
So that's done. And for the lipstick, I'll be using my Primark Liquid lipstick.
And for this, we'll be using, and this is the new one, and as you can see how it looks, it just looks absolutely amazing.
I want a full massage today, yeah?
Okay, welcome to my dinner.
Alright, for the lips I did Rimmel London. The pencil, honestly, there are no writings anymore. This should be lasting finish lip pencil in... Wow, I have no idea. Well, as you can see, it's nude, it's brown. And for the lipstick, I'm using liquid lipstick from Primark. I cannot see the name of this because it came in a pack for 3. You know what? Let me put some lip gloss. This is the only lip gloss that I can take. I'm allergic to some of the lipsticks, but I haven't been to the dermatologist to see what kind of ingredient that is put in the lip gloss or some lipsticks is that I cannot take it. But this is Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. And to set the makeup, I'll be using Prep and Prime from MAC. Alright, the setting spray is dry by now, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching. And last but not least, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you all up on the next one. Bye!